DJI has recently introduced its innovative new ultra-light and ultra-compact drone, which is extremely practical for use during vacations or when you want to go and record outdoors. It's really quite fascinating. This drone is named the DJI Flip and it weighs less than 249 grams. It boasts the capability to fly at an altitude reaching up to 3,000 meters. The battery life is around 31 minutes or so, and thanks to its folding design, it is much more convenient to carry around. The truth is that it appears to be quite fascinating. Additionally, it includes protective measures around the propeller area to prevent any accidents from occurring, both on the sides as well as on the top and bottom. These protective measures have been crafted using light yet durable carbon fiber thread, which represents a significant advancement in achieving this degree of protection without necessarily adding extra weight to the drone. Due to its unique characteristics, this particular drone does not require any special training in most countries or anything complicated like that. Right on the drone itself, you will find the mode button, allowing you to choose from 6 intelligent capture modes. These modes will make any scene look completely professional, even if you don't know how to use advanced controls. Actually, when it comes to controls, you can operate this drone using your cell phone, even in portrait format. This way you have both the preview and the controls right at your fingertips. There's no need to hold the device with both hands, making it quite convenient. Alternatively, you can opt to use the dedicated controller, available for purchase as an additional accessory. This device is equipped with a 48 megapixel CMOS sensor, boasting an envelope size of 1/1.3 inches. This size is sufficiently wide to ensure excellent light capture. It features an f1.7 aperture and combines the pixels to enhance light treatment. Additionally, the high-resolution sensor allows you to capture zoomed-in pictures with up to 4 times better quality. Furthermore, it boasts features like HDR and smart scene recognition, enhancing your experience. Now, when it comes to video, it can record in 4K at 60 frames per second, either in the standard format or in slow motion at 100 frames per second. It also supports log recording and 10-bit color depth, allowing for advanced color grading later on, thanks to its sensor ratio of 4:3. Additionally, it lets you record in portrait mode without having to rotate the camera or make any adjustments, so it doesn't have. I'm not entirely sure about the exact mechanisms that would make this drone costlier, but if it provides you with this capability, even if it's in 2.7K resolution, I believe it's more than adequate for content creation purposes. As I mentioned, it includes features like master shots, allowing users who may not have extensive knowledge to achieve a highly creative capture. Additionally, it provides hyperlapse functions in various styles alongside a feature known as focus track, which can track individuals or follow objects. Furthermore, it includes Active Track 4.0 and Spotlight 2.0. It's designed to follow you, even if you're walking through the woods. At least that's what their official videos show. And of course, it has the capability to avoid obstacles. Although, I'm uncertain if it can avoid obstacles from every direction, but you could try that out later. Please let me know if you would be interested in seeing this drone featured on the channel. This drone is offered at an introductory price of 639 euros. However, keep in mind that prices here differ from those elsewhere. This price is for just a single unit. Additionally, there is a package available called the Fly More Combo, which includes extra batteries and many additional accessories. The price for this combo is 779 euros, but again, remember that prices here are different from those in other locations. Soon, this drone will become available for purchase in more countries. For now, it has been launched globally, marking its premiere. It will surely become one of the most popular drones due to its ease of recording and the convenience it offers for transportation.